So in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to make mojito syrup, which is nothing but flavoring the sugar syrup with mint and lime. I have the mint leaves, the fresh mint leaves here. They are just individual ones that are washed and they could be dried by the time you're going to use it, and then there's some lime juice as well. So that is the sugar syrup, in which we have water and the sugar already dissolved and boiled to making the simple sugar syrup. So now I am going to add the simple sugar syrup into the saucepan and then let it boil, and I am going to add the mint leaves into the simple syrup, whole ones. Now once it starts boiling, the flavor of the mint is going to drain itself into the syrup. I am not going to add the lime juice yet, so I am going to allow this to boil now. So it's done boiling. Don't have to boil for too long, otherwise it's just going to have a bitter taste from the mint. And I'm just going to transfer this into another bowl. And to that bowl I'm going to add the lime juice. Mix it up together. I just don't want the flavor to just evaporate or just go away from the syrup right now. So I'm just going to cling wrap this, seal it in right away, allowing the mint to seep its flavor, because we are not letting it boil for a longer period of time, because it is otherwise going to have a bitter taste to the syrup, and we don't want to also boil the lime juice. So we just allowed the mint leaves to boil with a simple syrup that itself had the sugar and the water. We are letting the mint leaves to boil up, like say for 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that, otherwise it's going to be bitter. And then transfer it into a bowl, and in that bowl add the lime juice and then cover it with a cling wrap, or it could be like an airtight container, not allowing the flavor to just escape itself out, and we're just trapping them in. And this will go into the refrigerator, and I'll get back to show you how we are going to use this mojito syrup.